Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to enter referral code in Google Pay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to enter referral code in Google Pay, all you got to do is simply open Google Pay app. So once you tap on the Google Pay app, you will be ending up in the official page or like official app of Google Pay. So once you're there, on the top right, you need to simply tap on it. So once you tap on the top right, you can simply get the referral code. So if you have a referral code, then simply type in the referral code that this friend has sent you. So once you simply type it in as well, you can simply get different kind of offers in Google Pay. And if you want like different kind of Google referral codes, then you can also invite your friends to give them the Google referral codes. So this is an exchange process which you can enjoy in Google Pay. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.